In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on GitHub branch switching in Lovable AI 2026 Dev Guide. First, open Lovable AI in your browser and select the project you want to work with. Make sure you're in the correct workspace and repository so the settings you change apply to the right place. If you manage multiple projects, double check the project name and overview page before moving on. From your project's main page, head into Settings. You're looking for the project level settings, not global or workspace preferences. This is where Lovable keeps configuration that directly impacts how your project integrates with services like GitHub. Inside Settings, find and open the Labs section. Labs is where Lovable AI exposes experimental or early access features. These toggles can be turned on or off per project, and some organizations may restrict access. So if you don't see an option mentioned here, you might need project admin permissions. Locate the toggle for GitHub branch switching and turn it on. This enables the UI controls that let you select and switch branches tied to your GitHub repository directly from Lovable. After enabling, the page may refresh or briefly update to apply the change. If nothing appears to happen, that's normal. Your new option will show up in the GitHub integration panel. Use the Go Back control in the top left corner to return to your project view. This brings you out of Labs and back to the main project interface where you can access integration settings. Now look to the top right corner for the GitHub icon and choose Configure. This opens the GitHub configuration panel for your project so you can manage the repository connection and branch selection in one place. In the branch field, click the dropdown that currently shows main. This reveals the available branches for your connected repository, pulled directly from GitHub. Here, you can add or create a new test branch from main. Creating a test branch is highly recommended during development or QA because it gives you a safe space to try ideas, run experiments, and troubleshoot without impacting your production code. By branching from main, you inherit the latest stable state and keep changes isolated until you're ready to review and merge. Name your branch clearly so collaborators understand its purpose, and follow your team's branching conventions to keep history clean and traceable. When you're done testing or want to return to your stable code, simply switch the branch dropdown back to main. That's it. Branch switching is now enabled and ready to support your development workflow. Thanks for watching and happy building.